The secret world of chipmunks, nature's tiny storage experts. Beneath the dappled sunlight of North America's forests, along rocky outcrops and in suburban backyards, lives one of nature's most energetic and industrious mammals, the chipmunk. In this immersive wildlife documentary, you'll uncover the hidden life of these striped acrobats, from their incredible food-hoarding strategies to their complex underground cities. Discover how chipmunks can carry up to 9 times their body weight in cheek pouches, why they spend months in a mysterious hibernation-like state called torpor, and how their constant foraging shapes entire forest ecosystems. Through stunning footage and groundbreaking research, we'll reveal their surprising intelligence, intricate social hierarchies, and the remarkable adaptations that make them masters of survival in a world full of predators. The chipmunk's day begins at first light as shafts of sunlight pierce the forest canopy and warm the leaf litter below. These small but mighty rodents, weighing no more than a handful of coins, are actually members of the squirrel family, instantly recognizable by their racing stripes that serve as perfect camouflage in the shifting light of their woodland homes. Their scientific name, Tamias, means steward or treasurer in Greek, a fitting title for nature's most obsessive food collectors. As autumn approaches, a single chipmunk may gather over 8,000 food items in just a few days, stuffing its expandable cheek pouches until they bulge comically outward. These pouches can stretch to 3 times the size of the chipmunk's head, allowing them to transport acorns, seeds, and even small fruits back to their elaborate burrows with astonishing efficiency. Beneath your feet as you walk through the woods lies an entire underground metropolis, the chipmunk's domain. Their burrows are architectural marvels that can extend over 30 feet in length, with separate chambers for sleeping, food storage, and even waste disposal. The main nest chamber is lined with shredded leaves for insulation, while multiple hidden entrances provide quick escapes from predators like foxes, hawks, and snakes. What appears as simple digging is actually precise engineering. Chipmunks angle their tunnel entrances downward to prevent flooding, and some species even create false tunnels to confuse predators. During winter, these burrows become life-saving shelters as chipmunks enter torpor, a state of decreased physiological activity where their heart rate drops from 350 beats per minute to just 4, and their body temperature fluctuates with the surrounding earth. They'll wake periodically to snack on their stored food, surviving entirely on their carefully organized pantries until spring's warmth returns. The social world of chipmunks is far more complex than their solitary reputation suggests. While they don't form colonies like prairie dogs, chipmunks have developed an intricate system of communication through tail flicks, chirps, and chemical signals. Their distinctive chip-chip, call-bitch, gives them their name, can signal anything from territorial warnings to mating availability. During breeding season, males engage in intense chases through the trees, their agility on full display as they leap between branches with acrobatic precision. Females raise their litters alone, teaching the young kits essential skills like food selection and predator avoidance in just a few short weeks. Remarkably, research has shown that chipmunks can recognize individual humans and remember which ones pose threats, a testament to their sharp memories and observational skills. Chipmunks play an outsized role in their ecosystems as both gardeners and prey. Their constant foraging and food catching accidentally plants thousands of trees each year as forgotten seeds take root where they were buried. Scientists estimate that a single chipmunk may disperse up to 50,000 seeds in one season, shaping the very composition of their forests. At the same time, their abundance makes them a crucial food source for predators, forming an important link in the food chain. Even their digging aerates soil and helps recycle nutrients, proving that these small creatures have a massive ecological impact. The greatest threat to chipmunks isn't predators or winter's chill, but habitat fragmentation caused by human development. As forests are divided by roads and neighborhoods, chipmunk populations become isolated, reducing genetic diversity. Climate change presents another challenge. It's altering the timing of food availability and potentially disrupting their carefully evolved hibernation cycles. Yet, in a hopeful twist, chipmunks have shown remarkable adaptability. Thriving in parks and backyards where they've become beloved visitors at bird feeders, their persistence reminds us that even the smallest creatures have an important place in nature's web. As the sun sets over the forest, casting long shadows between the trees, a chipmunk scurries home with its last load of the diet's cheeks, stuffed with seeds that might become tomorrow's saplings. In their endless activity, we see nature's perfect balance of industry and instinct, individual survival and ecological contribution. The chipmunk's story is one of extraordinary, ordinary, a common creature hiding remarkable secrets. If only we take the time to look closely, their continued success in our changing world offers both a lesson in resilience and an invitation to appreciate the complex lives unfolding right outside our doors.